We are back for another video, and today we are going to be working on the green S13 drift car. Possibly wishful thinking, but hopefully we finally have the exhaust situation worked out. What I have is a catback exhaust system. It's EMUSA from eBay. Probably not going to like it, but it's 3-inch exhaust, which is what I need for this car. My other exhaust was it came up to like 58 millimeters, something like 2 point something, I don't know, it was really weird. What I was missing was the test pipe that would act as the catalytic converter. What we are going to do is put the test pipe on, get the sensor in for the air fuel meter, and see if the exhaust fits, and if it does, awesome. Because this car is kind of loud, and I mean, you know, I wouldn't mind having at least exhaust on it. We're gonna get to it though. I blab way too much in my videos, so we're just gonna get to it. One more real quick thing here, just because I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to get this video out. We are also going to be installing this HKS air filter. The problem is that I'm waiting on a 3-inch adapter for the Z32 MAF, because the only one I have is a 4-inch. So I'm waiting on that to come in the mail. It's probably not going to be here for another week or so. Then I have the rocker arm stoppers. They are from GK Tech. Not sure if I'm going to install them in this video or if that's going to be something that we do later. Another thing is I need to redo some of the vacuum lines for the blow-off valve and the wastegate. So I'm probably actually going to have to take the blow-off valve off and do some modifications, because it's pretty much like a Greddy Type S knockoff with the 2 springs inside. So I'm probably going to have to take it apart, remove one of them, and, you know, kind of play with it to get it working right. But we're going to get to it. Alright, we have the test pipe here, in case you're interested. It is an Autobahn 88. And it already has the bung for the O2 sensor, or in my case it's going to be the AFR sensor. And I don't have the luxury of a lift, so we're just going to lay on the ground. Alright, so looks like the exhaust is going to work. I wasn't sure about angles and curvatures and length and all that, but looks like it's gonna work. Now I'm actually going to put the exhaust in, and actually probably what I'm going to do is take the test pipe back out, put them all together as one piece, and then put it all back in as one piece. So we will check back in when we're finished. Alright, so as you can tell, we have the exhaust assembled, and I think I'm going to leave most of this bubble wrap on until at least I can get it underneath the car. I might have to jack it up some, I don't know. But I already did kind of test fit it before I started putting it together, and it looks like it will work in the car. So we'll go on ahead and get to putting it on, and then we'll, you know, start it and see how it sounds and complain about it probably, I don't know. All right, the exhaust is in, and not fully tightened down yet, but we're gonna go on ahead and start it and see what it sounds like. All right. See what happens. Alright, well, definitely an exhaust leak. Or maybe the fart can. Alright, I did already say that I didn't have everything tightened down, but I'm really hoping that we don't have a leak coming out of the turbo downpipe, whatever you want to call it, because that would really suck. Alright, so it was just the fact that the exhaust wasn't all fully bolted down, so we have it bolted down now. I don't like it. But we're gonna go with it for now. Alright, so we're not going to run the car anymore. I need to get the oil leak fixed, the oil leak that's coming from the oil filter relocation. It's leaking pretty good. I don't want to run the car anymore. I'm going to do an oil change on it anyway before we go to the drift event. That is if we make it. I don't know. We should make it. It's not a KA. Anyway, I already moved the vacuum lines around, and I still need to tinker with the blow-off valve. I don't know. We'll probably do that relatively soon. So that's going to do it for this video. It was short and sweet, but we got an update done on the green car. I'm not sure what I think about the fart can exhaust. We might run it for now. I mean, we're forced to run it at least for now. Maybe we'll change it later. But yeah, we'll keep going. And catch you on the next video.